Afternoon, folks. I thought I'd give you a bit of a change today, right? Because you've got Nene Valley Railway down here, and just to let you know, I am in Peterborough today. Bit of a change from all the other places I've been to. It is a track going all the way from Wellingborough over to Peterborough because of the actual bus times, and they're changing everything at the end of this month anyway. 28th of July they're changing, so we don't know whether we've got to get another bus from Oundle to Peterborough or what, but we'll soon know. But yeah, today's right. Today I'll show you around Peterborough and also the canal, or the River Nene. But I thought I'd brought you first to the Nene Valley, which goes from the city centre all the way to Ferry Meadows. It doesn't look like it's running today, but it is quite busy on the lines. There is a train further up there, but it's probably doing track maintenance. But my buddy Mike is going to be uploading this video tonight for me up onto YouTube, so you'll get to see everything up in Peterborough tonight. On the last video he has said that good old buddy bro, yes, we are related. We are. And yes, we just found out over the last month or two. So thumbs up to Mike for uploading everything for me. Good old bro. You're the best. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. But yeah, carrying on with the story. Yeah, this is Peterborough that I've just got to. I'm just showed you the railway line. We are indeed heading back towards the city centre. There isn't really much to show you down here anyway. But you've got the River Nene. part 2 of Peterborough is of course the city centre. That is definite. Well, I'm going to be uploading another video very shortly and sending it off to Mike to edit for me. So hats off to him for me for that. That is the main line. Don't know whether you can see it. That's the freight line that you can see there. That is. Excuse us. Is that the freight line, or is it actually the main line on this one, or is it on the big bridge?
It's the big bridge that's got the main line. This is just cross-country trains, if you know what I mean.
Is
but that's
it?
the main line from London.
So this one's the Virgin.
Yes.
So what's the other bridge?
The other bridge, oh, I don't know what it's called. No, I don't know. But that's
So is that one going to King's Cross?
Yeah, that one. Yeah, because the trains come through pretty quick. Yeah.
Okay.
And the big long carriages, where this has only got small carriages.
Ah, got you now. But thank you very much. I will see you in the town centre for part 2.